Hey you guys, and welcome to Not My Kitchen, Midnight Munchies and More. I am your chef Charisse, and today we are going to be making, because you saw the thumbnail, right? Vegan and gluten-free apple butter cookies. What? Let's jump in. Wait, before we jump in, if you want to hit that subscribe button, tap that like button, leave me a comment. You know how you like my hair, girl. Now we can jump in. We need to make our flax egg first. So like our egg, right? Like our binder. So we're gonna take some ground flax meal. This is half of a tablespoon of ground flax meal. I'm gonna add 2.5 tablespoons of water. And I'm just gonna mix it together a little bit. And we're gonna put it on the side. We're gonna let it hang out for like 5 minutes. Let it get soaked up, get kind of gelatinous. Now for our dry ingredients, I have 1 3/4 cup of Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 gluten-free baking flour. Listen, you can use regular flour, but I'm trying to shout out to, listen, I hope you're watching this video, Julia. Shout out to Julia in my Vegan Recipes Without Judgment group, because this bitch out here, she's been like keeping that group going, honestly. She posts like multiple times a day. She's out here, but she's gluten-free as well as vegan. So I was like thinking about her when I thought about this, because it's gluten-free. Okay, anyway, so I have 1 3/4 cup of Bob's Red Mill gluten-free, boop, boop, boop. And then I have half a teaspoon each of baking soda and cream of tartar. And we're just gonna mix this together and set it aside. Let's talk wet ingredients. I have 1/4 cup of vegan butter. To that, we're going to add half of a cup of apple butter from Catoctin Mountain Orchard. Shout out to Greg's mother. Thank you very much. We have like a gigantic jar. This isn't even touching how much we have. It's crazy bones. Lick that spoon, Greg. Don't let that junk out always. We also have a cup of sugar I'm going to add in there. And I'm going to use our hand-held Vita and cream it all together. And then we're going to add our flax egg and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give that just a quick zhuzh. And then we can slowly start adding our flour. So just a little bit at a time, you know, just until it's incorporated. I'm gonna cover this up and let this hang out in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight, because it's kind of a wet dough and we want it to get more rollable, you know what I mean? We have our oven preheated at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna roll them into little balls, and then we're gonna roll them into cinnamon and sugar, which like, just listen, pour some sugar in and then slowly add cinnamon until you like the consistency. I don't know, some people like more cinnamon, whatever. Anyways, you're gonna let these go for about 14 minutes, give or take, until they're, you know, done. You guys, look at these dollops of delicious. Let's say, I mean, listen, let's say. You go, girl.
Oh, that's delightful.
You can taste the apple in it. It's subtle. You get more of the cinnamon sugar. It's definitely subtle, but you can taste that, like, he's nodding his head. You can taste the like freshness of the apple.
Sorry, I'm still chewing.
He's still chewing. It's more of a cakey cookie. If you like smash them down before you bake them, you probably get a crispier cookie. But I really like those. Those are really good. Full written recipe, as per usual, will be written down below. Link something, I don't know. I'll get you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.